Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane, thanks for joining me today for another video. I'm sharing with you today the launch of my Etsy shop. I am not going to be turning this channel into a channel that's all about my shop. I'm going to try and keep it as it is and use some of my products occasionally. I really like that I have a separate channel that focuses on things that we can get here in the UK and just my planning and my organisation, and I want to keep that going, but I thought this was a good platform for me to kind of share the products that I've got, a little bit about my shop story, and also explain to you guys why I haven't been uploading as regularly as I would like recently. So I've filmed a flip through of my A5 planner that I'm using on a daily basis, and I filmed that at the start of July, and I still haven't got around to editing it and uploading it for you. So the first reason is that I'm taking part in an online course that's like a 6-week program, and it's really intense and it's taken up an awful lot of my time. And the second reason is that I have launched Scribbles by Starlight. I am really excited to share this with you. It has taken me a long time to get to this point. I've had this shop in the making since, I don't know, about November last year, but just because of the nature of my commitments and my daughter, and it's taken me a long time to get to this point where I feel like I'm ready to actually launch my shop. But basically, when I decided at the start of the year I would start using up some of my stash that I've already got, I was finding that I couldn't get stickers that I necessarily wanted to use or that I didn't have in my stash, and rather than spending more money, I already had a cutting machine, I already had sticker paper, I started drawing my own stickers. My 11-year-old nephew told me that they were really good, he really loved them, and he was like, why don't you sell them? And I thought, well, you know, I've been thinking about opening up a sticker shop, and if I'm going to do it, then I want something really unique and that's personal to me. And so I took some inspiration from, you know, other shops and other characters that I like, and I've developed it over a period of time to a point where I'm quite happy with it. And I've decided to launch the shop. So there's 15% off this weekend, and I'll leave a link in the description to the shop on Etsy if you wanted to go and grab your discount. And I'm chucking in some freebies as well with those orders this weekend, and it runs until the 16th of August. And it's just really to celebrate the fact that I've made it this far. And I have had a couple of orders already, so thank you very much for those that have placed orders, because it's amazing to be supported and feel supported already. And I appreciate that not everyone will be able to place orders and things like that, but you know, it's not necessarily about a sales pitch for me. I just really want to show you what I've been doing. So I am a shop that is specialising in character stickers. Everything that I have made is drawn by myself, including my shop logo, including my shop banner. Every product that you see is hand drawn by me, and then turned into different products. And I've got quite a lot up my sleeve and a lot of designs coming to the shop. I have so many ideas. I started a notebook just to start jotting down everything that I could think of, and it's pages and pages and pages of stuff. So there is going to be a lot coming from the shop, hopefully over the next, I don't know, few years. I don't know how long I'm going to do this for. I'm just going to see how it pans out, really. But what I've created so far and what is currently available in the shop is in this pile. So the first thing that I will do is perhaps introduce my characters. So this one is called Pip, and she is just a little creature that likes to take part in human activities. She's got a bit of a non-human feel about her, so I just thought she was a nice character to produce, and I took a lot of inspiration, as you can probably tell, from a number of shops in designing her, but they're all from shops that I love, and it all comes from a good place. So that's Pip is my first character, and then my second character is Fuzz, who is, hopefully you can see those, a little tatty teddy. He's kind of based on a teddy bear and voodoo and a little bit of like kawaii type influence. And he's basically a bear that's been so loved that he needs to be stitched back together. And I'm sure we all had a bear like that when we were a child. So they're the two characters that I've created. Now, the products that I've got, the first one is this cardboard die cut. It's not sticky, it's just a die cut, and it's shaped like a star, and this is essentially my shop logo. I just thought it was really cute, and it'd be lovely to turn it into a die cut, so if people want to stick it in the front of their planners. And it actually looks really nice just tucked into the front of a stalogy, and I've actually taken a picture of that and put it on the shop itself. I've tried to stick to like pastel tones in the stickers themselves and in the products themselves, just because that's what I tend to actually gravitate towards more. I do use bright colours, but it is generally more in the like summer months that I use them, and so I thought pastels was more my sort of colours for me to stick to that kind of thing. And then I've got a whole range of pip stickers. Each sheet comes with pretty much as many stickers as I could fit on the page. I wanted them to be good value for money, and I hate it when you buy, you know, this massive sheet of stickers and there's like, I don't know, 6 or 7 stickers on there with a load of other stuff. So I've tried really hard just to keep as many as possible on each sheet. But I'm just going to take you through them quickly. So that's the first one, that's just my straightforward Pip character. And then I've got Pip going for a walk. And I've got Pip sitting and laying down. I've got Pip reading a book under a blanket and reading a book sat up, just because I'm an avid reader. I use book stickers all the time and it's the kind of thing I run out of, so that's really where this idea came from. So that's dreaming of books and then sitting on a book stack. That's my idea of heaven, if I'm honest. Pip wrapped up in a blanket. Now, I do this all year round, whether it's hot outside or not. I love sitting under a blanket, so that's kind of where that came from. And I've got little cleaning Pips with a spray bottle and a cloth. I've got Pip with a mop and bucket. And I've got Pip vacuuming the house. And there are a couple more cleaning type ones that are on their way to the shop. I just haven't quite got that far yet, and I thought, when I was launching, I was like, should I put it off another week? And I was like, no, just get on with it. Like, and once you've launched, you can always add more. So there is more coming to the shop. And so then this is Fuzz. Just going, show you him nice and up close again. And then I've got Fuzz holding a little planner, because how could I not have a little planning Fuzz? I've got Fuzz sitting down. I have got, this is one of my favourites as well, Fuzz dreaming of stickers and some little planners, and that's actually the same planner that Fuzz is holding in the other one. And then I did like a little summer range, because again I didn't have many summer stickers and I didn't want to buy a load, so I designed them, and then, you know, now they're in the shop. So I've got Fuzz in a rubber ring and paddling in the sea. This one is one of my absolute favourites. I'm really proud of him. I just think he's adorable. Of course I do, I created him, but just want to share them with you really. And then I've got Fuzz building sandcastles with a bucket and spade and in a deck chair. And then a whole sheet of Fuzz having an ice cream, because again, ice creams is one thing I have all year round. And then the other thing I use a lot of is quotes. So I've done some quote stickers that just have, you know, like this is a kind of a summer themed one, and there will be more to come. But it's summer fun. Every summer has a story. Bring me sunshine, hello summer, and if you're not barefoot, you're overdressed. And then I've just included some little sun stickers just to fill the space that I literally could not fit any more quotes in. So I have tried my very best to put as many stickers on each sheet as possible. A lot of them have 2 different sizes, so even these, they don't look that different in size, but the bottom ones are bigger than the top ones. And they've all got that kind of theme about them, so no matter where you want to use them in your planner, they're designed to be able to fit that space. I just thought, again, something a little bit different than your average, you know, sticker shop that has stickers all the same size, and it's just a way to make sure that they can fit anyone's planner in any style of planning. So that is what I've got in the shop at the moment. As I say, if you want to go and check it out, then I'll leave a link in the description box for you. And there's 15% off this weekend, and you don't need a code for that discount either. I hope that you enjoy what I have had to share so far. Like I say, I'm not going to make this all about the shop, but I will share things from time to time, just as I would with any other shop. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do subscribe and come back and see some more from me. Take care. Bye.